Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create fire and ash theme dashboard in Power BI. You can see the example of fire and ash theme dashboard on this slide. We want to create the same thing in Power BI. So let's go on the canvas of Power BI. We'll take the blank canvas. Let's import the data which is in CSV format. Click Superstore, open. Now I will press load the data set. Now all the variables with the data set will appear on the right hand side. Data imported successfully. You can see here the data set has been fetched successfully. To create the fire and ash theme, it is necessary that first uh, we make the canvas color black. So how we can do it? Click here, click on the wallpaper and make it black. Done. Now we have to make new visuals with orange color on this canvas. So click here. The first thing which we are going to do is to create the slicer. So click on the slicer, open this and pick up the region and drop it into the field. So the slicer is ready. The next thing which we want to do is formatting of the slicer. So click here, slicer settings, vertical list keep as it is, selection keep as it is, slicer header, it's written region. We want this uh, we will increase the font size a little bit, that's fine. Background, the background color should be orange and the values should also be in the orange color. Done. Now we'll go in the general settings, click on the effects, and the background color which we'll select here is black. Done. Activate the visual border, and this visual border will be of orange color and the corners will be rounded. Shadow, activate it, and this shadow will also be of the orange color. Done. So we have created the first visual, which is a slicer. You can see it. Now we'll create the number cards. So I'll select the number card from here. And I will add the field, that is a sales, and drop it here. So it is giving me 2.30 million sum of sales. Now let's start the formatting. Format your visuals. Call out value. So we'll take the orange color here also. Category label. This will be also of the orange color. Done. Now we will go in the general settings. Pick up the effects. The background color we want it in black. Done. Visual border. This we want of the orange color. Done. Make the corners rounded and activate the shadow, and the shadow should also be of the orange color. Done. Now let's create the another visual with the help of this. So I'll copy it. Control V. Let's create one more. Control V. Now I have to just change the measure here. So here it is sum of sales. So let's pick up the profit here. Done. Here we'll pick up the sum of quantity. So it's not displaying the exact figure here. So what I'll do is I'll little bit drag it and it's done. Now the next thing which I want to do is I want to create the area chart. How can I do it? Let's go. Let's pick up the area chart from here. Done. Expand a little bit. Now on x-axis, I'll select the date. So here the order date is there, but I'll have to change its type. Click on it. And from here, make it date. Click yes. So now I will get the year. Now pick up the year and drop it on the x-axis. Done. Next thing which you have to do is you have to pick up the profit and drop it in the on the y-axis. Done. Now I'll select segment and drop it into the legend. Done. Now we will start the formatting of this area chart. So let's go here, x-axis. Keep everything as it is. Values. I want these values to be in orange color. You know the reason why, because it's a fire and ash theme. Title. This also I want in the orange color. Y-axis. Values. I want this thing to be in the orange color. Done. Title. Orange color. Legend. Text. Require it in orange color. Done. Grid lines. No grid lines. So I have switched off both the grid lines. Lines. Keep everything as it is. Colors. It's fine. Data labels. So the data labels should be on. And make sure that in data labels the value is also orange. Done. Now we'll go on the general settings. Effects. Background. Make it black. Perfect. We are not able to see the title. No need to worry. This we will see later on. So here, make this profit by year segment and make the text color orange. Done. And the background color should be background color. So let's do one thing. We'll keep this background color orange and the text color black. That will be better. Done. And keep it in the center. Now we will go in uh, visual border on, and it should be of the orange color. Rounded corners, shadow on, and it should also be of the orange color. Done. Quite an interesting thing. I want to change the colors of this lines. So again, I'll go in format your visuals and let's click on the lines, colors, and we will change the color. That is, take this color here. Let's take the another color, and that is here. I'll take the another color. Oh, that's quite good. Now we will create the another visual. So let me take this in the center. Now we will create the pie chart. So click here. Not the pie chart, sorry, the donut chart. In donut, it requires legend. So pick up the segment and drop the profit. And you can expand this. Now we'll start formatting our visuals. Legend, keep things as it is. Text, yeah, text, convert it into the orange color. Slices are fine. Let's take, or I'll take this color. This is much better as it can glow. So now we'll go in general, title, profit by segment. Text will give off black color, and this, let's select the orange color. Now let us talk about effects. And in effects, the background is of black color. Visual border on. It should be of the orange color. Rounded corners. Done. Shadow on. And shadow should be of orange color. Done. But the numbers are not visible. No need to worry. Again, I'll go format your visuals. Let's check about the color. Right? It should be the dark color, right? And in visual, legend, text, title, everything black, slices, detail labels, values. Yeah, this will convert it into the orange color. Done. Now I think this is perfect. Again, I'll click on format your visuals and general title. Let's bring it in the center. Yeah, this is much better. So done. Now let's create another visual, which is pie chart. So pick up the pie chart from here. Again, we'll require legend, and this time I'll select category. And in values, we will select sales. Then expand the visual. We'll go in format your visuals, legend, center right, text, orange color. If you want to change the slices color, you can change it. So let's take, and instead of blue color, we'll take the light blue so that it is visible. It is quite visible in black background. Detail labels, fine. Let's go in general. Again, effects, background, black color, visual border on, and this should be of the orange color, rounded corners, yes, shadow on, and shadow should also be of the orange color. So the numbers are not visible, no need to worry. Again, click on format your visuals. Detail labels are on, values, change this to orange color, done. Still the title is not visible, go in general, title, make change this to, keep text as black only, and the background should be of the orange color. Yeah, done. Quite interesting. Now we will take the another visual, which is the line chart. Let's try to arrange it properly. Expand it a little bit. And this, bring it till here. Now I'll make the line chart. So click here and so on x-axis we will take year, and on y-axis let's take the profit. Then expand this visual. Now go and format your visuals. X-axis, keep the things as it is. Values, take the orange color. Title, orange color. Y-axis, values, orange color. Title, orange color. Grid lines, off the grid lines. Now click on general, title, remove this sum off and keep only profit by year. Text color keep black, background color make it orange. Done. Now activate the effects, black color, visual border on, orange color, round the corners, shadow on it, and the shadow should be of the orange color. Done. The line chart is also ready. The next thing which we'll do is we'll create 100% stacked diagram. So let's pick up 100% stacked bar chart, bring it here, expand it. On y-axis we will take segment. On x-axis let's take the profit, and in legend let's take the category. Now we'll start the formatting of the visual. Y-axis, you know it now, that convert this thing into the orange color. Title, orange color. X-axis, values, orange color. And grid lines, off the grid lines. If you want to change the bar colors, you can change it. So let's take 1, 2, 3. And now we will change the background. So let's go in general, effects, background, black color. Done. Quite good. Still the title is not visible. No need to worry. Click on title, remove this, keep the text color as it is, and the background color make it orange. Done. Still we will have to check about the legends. So go in visual, in legend, text, change this to orange color. Okay, now it's visible. Fine. Still some settings are left. In general, bring this title into the center. Same thing we will have to do here also. So background is black, visual border on, make this orange, round corners, shadow on, and it should be of the orange color. Done. So this is over. Click here also because we want to bring this title into the center. So click here, go in general, title, center. Done. The next thing which we want to do is we want to insert the image of the product whose presentation which we are making. So click on insert image, and so I'll click on this shoes. So the product has also been introduced. Now we want to write the title. So insert text box. What we are making, it's an annual presentation. Select it, increase the font size to the desired level. Let's keep it 32. That's better. I'll bring this in center. Let's increase the font size a little bit. Okay, now change the color. Get black in the center. Now again, we will change the background of this. So let's go in effects, background, black color, and here we will have to select orange color. Let's make this orange. Fine, this is much better. And in effects, it should be the pure black color. Yeah, done. Now click on the visual border, and it should be of orange color, rounded corners. Click on shadow. Let expand it a little bit. Done. So the annual presentation. Now in this space which is left out, we will insert one more slicer. So click here, activate the slicer, and in field, let's pick up the segment and drop it here. Now if you want to apply the same settings of this slicer on this, it's quite easy. What you'll do, you will click here, go in home, format the painter, and just click on it. So all the settings of this particular slicer will be immediately copied here. So we did not have to worry much about it. Now see how it's working. First of all, we'll clear all the selections. From here also clear all the selections. And we want to see the figures of sales, profit, quantity for South. And see each and every visual is changing. South with corporate. Okay. Let's talk about West and consumer. So this was all about how to create fire and ash sims in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.